Hello everyone, and thank you for your attention. It's time to get you ready for camp. And before we get started, we have some important information for you about laundry. Now if you'll just follow along with me, we'll be on our way. Laundry at camp gets picked up every other day. So before we load these bags, here are some important laundry instructions. First things first, please be sure to review the packing list in our Getting Ready guide. Did you know that not every item of clothing has to be washed after every wear? Things like mittens, winter coats, hats, and rain jackets. Now it's time to load up these laundry bags. Pants, socks, and other bulky items should be unscrunched for maximum cleaning. And remember, pockets should be checked for unexpected treasures. Clean laundry should always be removed before placing dirty laundry in the bag. Please be sure to buckle all bra straps and other hooked items to avoid unintended snags or rips. Insert the hooks into the eye portion and pull snugly. For extra safety of those delicate items, we recommend a super fine mesh bag. Because all items sent to the laundry are washed and dried in our industrial machines, some items could be damaged if they are accidentally sent to the laundry. Occasionally, items get separated from the group. For that reason, we recommend labeling all clothing for campers young and old. If you need any assistance or have any concerns, please let a counselor know. From all of us here at Sanborn Western Camps, we thank you for using clean Karma Camp Laundry.